taken by the words that you say. The voice that carries them has kept me astray. Too soon to act on it, can we ever be? That all depends on what you're feeling from me. Let me show you all the way. Let me show you all the ways. Oh, let me show you all the ways. Yeah, let me show you all the ways. Oh.
Good morning, everyone. Aji here from Pandamonium. We are on 243, which goes between Bear Lake and Logan. It's a mountain pass. It's very beautiful. Moo! Hey cow. With something hanging at the side of your mouth. We left our campsite because some of the tribe decided to go back towards Bear Lake because they wanted to spend a couple days there. I just didn't want to do that mountain again because it's a very steep mountain and I didn't want to put Panda through it. We moved location since we wanted to head closer to Logan. It is right on the roadside, but it's by the river. Let me show you around. Like I said, we're right off the roadside. There is the river. It's beautiful. It's going right through the mountain pass. So Danny's here with me. She's actually clearing her front seat out because we're going to take a ride up the mountain there. It's supposed to be really pretty. Well, that wasn't a very good idea. The road was very narrow. We were going to drive up it, but a woman came barreling down with 3 dogs tied on the back, which wasn't a good situation because it was one of those flatbed trucks that didn't have sides. That's just awful. We actually just changed our minds. Here's a clip of what happened. 3 miles to the mill. Ephraim's Grave is 9 miles. Left-hand fork is 15. Wow, and this is just
5 to 7 miles is passable on this according to the ATV. I just turn around.
Oh shoot, let me get my seatbelt. Ooh. Whoa, this is like a narrow path. You might have to back up. So this is a very narrow path and 2 cars cannot get through, so we have to back up. I think maybe this is an ATV road because I see
no
someone
ATVs
over there with.
over there either, though.
Oh.
It's got the no ATV, no Jeep. I don't know what she's doing up here.
Alright, we're gonna head down to Logan and see what's there. I believe it's gonna be hot there. Hopefully not too hot.
Show you all the ways. Oh, let me show you all the ways. Yeah, let me show you all the ways.
We have pulled off on the side of the road. It's about 14 miles from Logan, but we noticed the campsite. We had visited this the other day. We just wanted to check it out real quick. It's right by the river, nice and shaded. It is paid camping. It's $20 a night. There's no hookups, but it's really beautiful here. Although I wouldn't get great solar, so I'd probably have to run the Jenny. They have tent camping spots, but they're big enough for RVs. Panda would definitely fit here. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my God, this is so pretty. You know what? If you want to camp here, I can leave Panda here, pay the $20, and then we can just go into town.
Yeah.
You want to do that?
Sure.
It's right by the river. Wow.
$8 for additional vehicle, so
That's awesome. Look at that little birdie.
that's got a special name. He dips and eats all the time, and his little wings flutter while he goes in to eat.
Oh, you don't
Keep
remember
him
the
warm.
name of the bird?
No.
Maybe someone online will know the name of the bird.
It was
That's
on the information board up at the
a beautiful bird.
trailhead.
Wow, this is amazing. Yeah, we're gonna do that. All right. So it is $20 a night, but it is beautiful, so it's definitely worth it. Well, I hope I fit through here. It seems pretty wide, so hopefully. Welcome to Wood Camp Campground. Fee area. Yep, $20 per night. Alright.
Let me show you all the ways.
With the trees being here, that was tight, but I made it. Panda is in. Awesome. This is such a beautiful spot. And the shade from the tree cover is nice because it's a hot day and we're also right by the river. This is such an awesome spot. We're gonna take a walk up to that sign and the pay box. I just want to get the information first before I pay. Make sure everything is kosher.
Okay.
So here's the information. It is $20 per vehicle and then $8 for extra vehicles. So it's only going to be like $14 a piece, which,
Right, and
which
up
is good.
front there's a double site, but it's double the fee, so there's 2 picnic tables
Oh,
side by
no.
side.
This is fine. I think we
no,
can...
if anybody else wants to
Oh,
join
okay.
us.
Yeah, that's true. So I made 2 deep-fried turkey and smoked cheddar wraps. Don't those look yummy? I made some lettuce wraps. You want one?
Sure.
Okay. And then you can get your plate back that you gave me yesterday. They go like this, like a taco. How does it feel?
Wunderbar!
It is kind of low to the ground.
I know, I'm just waiting for it to pop up. Oh my god, it's on the ground.
I told you not to put it too low because it'll lower itself. That looks comfy though. And awkward at the same time.
Smoked ham?
Deep fried turkey and smoked cheddar.
Deep fried turkey?
And smoked cheddar, yeah, it goes sideways. Yeah, like a taco. Yeah, from the deli. Smells good.
Yum.
Moo-moo, you enjoying the sounds of the river? It's beautiful.
This is gonna get tossed in the river later.
Nah, not unless she wants to.
There's a little swimming area right here. See the rocks?
I know, it's... Oh yeah, right there. I think we got the most perfect camping spot because look, there's like a swimming hole right here by the camp. It's like somebody built it. That's awesome. Our own jacuzzi. Cold jacuzzi though, I'm sure. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's cold, but that's gonna feel nice when it gets really hot. Okay, I gotta get some work. Wait. Okay, I gotta get some work done. So, you want this? Huh? You go enjoy yourself. There you go. You'll have an awesome view. Oh, really? Time to get some work done.
Taken by the words that you say, the voice that carries them has kept me astray. Too soon to act on it, can we ever be?
I love the little soaking pond. The water comes in there and then exits out there. So the water that's in here stays pretty fresh. This is my view up above through the trees. Then also there's this beautiful view of the river. just rushing by me. Isn't that awesome? It's almost 4 p.m. and that's usually the hottest part of the day, but it does not feel hot at all, especially with my feet soaking in the cold water. Lovely. You should come soak your feet. Oh, okay.
It needs to be a little down. I made it too tight.
Oh, you need help?
I just have to clean it so I can
Okay,
release it.
go ahead.
Oh,
Is
okay,
it?
got it.
Okay, got it. So I have my panels out and base camp is pretty much set up. Our neighbor just came over. They're leaving today and they didn't have room for the wood, so they had extra wood and they offered it to us because there's no fire burn here in the campground. Or sorry, fire band. That was just awesome of them. Yay, wood. So it's pretty great that they allow you to share campsites here and only charge you an extra $8 for the extra vehicle. This is where our neighbors were camped next to us and they had a couple people here. It's an awesome spot too, right by the river, and looky over there. Actually have a rope swing here. They were using it earlier, but that river is cold. I don't know if I'd want to completely jump into the river. Isn't this cool?
I know. I wonder if you can actually drop in the river. I doubt it.
Well, that's what I was saying. It's probably cold. They were earlier. They were splashing over there.
So there's no rocks in the middle of it?
I don't know. It doesn't look as rocky as right there.
This would have been a good spot too.
I know. Have pit toilets here, which is awesome. Yeah, the shade makes a difference. If it wasn't shaded, it'd probably be really hot through here. This is beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. Here's another campsite right there.
This one is really nice for a tent right by the water.
Right, and it has a pull through. There's the double site right here, which is fairly large. It's not right by the river, but it's still nice. And it seems like everybody has already left, that there's only, one other campsite besides us.
This is a total of 6 campsites.
Right. Yeah, they do have a river access right there, but it's not right by the river. It isn't a huge campsite. Like I said, like she said, there's only 6 campsites here, so it's not a big campground. Oh yeah, it's kind of right, it's kind of fast through there though. So here's the sign, Logan Ranger District, Cache National Forest, and put it out, every spark dead out. So there isn't a fire ban, you just can't do fireworks here.
Litter hurts. We don't need your stinking trash. We don't drip trash where you live, and I'm bitter about litter.
I like that one.
Litter just is natural.
So here are the fees. Overnight camping is $20, access pass $10, day use fee $8, and extra vehicles is $8 per vehicle.
And no water, but you got the river.
Yeah, no water is available. If you have a senior access pass, it's only $10 a night. They also do have a trash receptacle here. So Danny is packing her van up because we're going to run into town, which is 14 miles away, and that's Logan. I have to get some stuff done on the internet, and so does she. We want to get back in time so that way we can have a campfire and also grill some steaks. That'll be awesome. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. I love everyone out there. Bye for now. Oh my god, I can't believe y'all made it. I'm so happy. Happy. happy.
Not leaving a big old lake and staying at Walmart.
Happy.
Baby. You thought you got rid of me, but
No, I'm glad y'all came. It feels nice though, doesn't it?
oh, it's very nice up here. Yeah.
Sauteed mushrooms and onions if you guys want to have some stuff.
So I made me some salad like I said I was going to. Salad. That is Caesar salad with steak and eggs.
Yeah, it's nice to have firewood that actually.
How'd you get that going?
Scotty got it
Boy
going.
Scout. We got a fire bag.
Good job.